Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question: Suits of civil nature. Suits of civil nature means a suit in which right to property or office of individuals is contested. From this line we can see suits of civil nature is a suit in which right to property or office of individual is contested. The expression suit of a civil nature will cover private rights and obligation of a citizen. Section 9 provided that the court shall have jurisdiction to try all suits of a civil nature, excepting suits of which their cognizance is either expressly or impliedly barred. So, civil court can try only the suits of civil nature whose cognizance is not barred by law. The expression suit of civil nature is a very wide expression. However, we may get an idea from an explanation of Section 9 as to which suit may be considered as a suit of civil nature. Explanation of Section 9 provides that a suit in which the right to property or right to an office is contested is a suit of a civil nature. Even such right may depend entirely on the decision of question as to religious rites or ceremonies. The expression right to property has been used in this section. Here the word property shall include all kinds of property such as immovable, movable, copyright, etc. And the expression right to office has also been used in the section. The word office shall include both either religious and secular. Okay, here now we have seen a case reference, Abdul Rauf versus Abdul Hamid Khan, 1965, 17 DLR 515. It was held that a civil court is entitled to try all kinds of suits of a civil nature unless the same is specifically barred under any special provision of law. So in this case reference we can see it was held that civil court is entitled to try all kinds of suits of a civil nature unless the same is specifically barred under any specific provision of law. Okay, here there are some civil nature suits. Suit relating to property, suits for damage of civil wrong, suits for specific relief, suits for rent, suits for damage for breach of contract. The non-civil nature suits are a suit involving purely religious ceremonies, or a suit of declaration of a member of caste refrain from an invitation to a caste dinner. So these are non-civil nature suits, and in this short portion we have understood about suits of civil nature.